Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done doing this beautiful super glam eyeshadow look. Yes, using Crown Pro palette. Beautiful colors, beautiful browns and oranges colors. Guys, this was a fun look and easy. And if you are into the glam, the fabulous, the glitter, please guys, stay tuned and catch me on the other side. Hey guys, so I did my face routine and my eyebrows off camera so we can just begin with this eye makeup tutorial. So I'm excited to use this Crown Pro palette. Look how beautiful is this colors. I received this palette in my BoxyCharm, and let me tell you guys, if you guys don't have BoxyCharm, you guys need to invest. Sometimes I don't even know the brand of the makeup. When it comes in my box, I'm like, wow, I need to try this. And then when I try it, I love it, then I go out and get it. So anyways, let's begin. So I'm thinking about doing some, since all these colors have like browns and stuff, so I was thinking about doing like some smoky eye brown look, like soft glam going out type of thing. Let's begin. I'm going to prime my eyes, the beautiful Tarte, and this one is in light medium honey. So I'm gonna prime my eyes like so. To just use my sponge and just blend it all out because we do not want no creases in our eyelids. Alright, I think that is good. So let's see what color we're going to use. So now this palette doesn't have any names, so I'm just going to just say the colors, what I think it is. And you guys can like figure it out. So I'm going to use this color right here, and it's like an orangey brown, and I'm going to place it in my outside corner. I'm going to make it into a V in outside corner, so like right here, and go down this way and then feather it out. This palette is cute because it also has a mirror. I love palette that has mirrors because you can take this palette on the go. Alright, that's cute. And I'm going to do it on the other side. Outer corner V. And then we're going to bring it out. Feathered it out. And then you try to make it a little darker on the outside V. Corner, just like that. And do the same thing on the other eye. On the first eye, you do the second eye. Alright. For now, that looks good. Now I'm going to grab this, it's like a purpley brown color, and I'm going to clean my brush, and then I'm going to place it up here, like right here. This palette is really good, no fallouts or anything, and the pigment is amazing. Alright, so I'm just doing circular motion now. Now we do the other eye. And then feather it out. So for now we're using that two colors. So we're gonna go back with the orangey brown and we're gonna put it back on the V corner just to brighten. We can see that color more. We're just packing it. Packing the colors. Alrighty. Now I'm going to grab another brush and use something like this. And I'm going to use this darker brown color. All these colors are giving me more like purplish vibes, like purplish brown vibes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that right up here. I'm just going to press it and then we'll blend everything out. I just want this to be a darker color. Blending. And we're gonna go back and grab the orangey brown color again, do the outer V again. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to use my Tarte concealer again, and I'm going to begin cutting. And I'm going to use the other side of this and just blend it inwards so to give me a smoky effect. And then we're going to cut the other eye. I'm going to grab that orangey brown color again and put it on my corner and blend. Then I'm going to grab that brown and just do a V in the outer corner and bring it out. See that? Then I'm going to blend it. I'm going to use this color right here. This is like a purplish color and it has a little hints of glitter, but I'm going to add more glitter towards that. So I just want to see how the color goes. Get a flat brush. See that? Go like that. I'm going to spray a little bit just so it can stick. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a metallic plum color. But you know what? I want more pop, so I'm going to use NYX glitter, and I'm gonna put it right where I put that metallic color. I want some glitter on my eyelid. I want it to be more glam. Glam, fam. Where's my glitter glue? Glitter glue here from Too Faced. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on my eyelids. All right, I got the glitter right here. Beautiful color. Guys, I love glitter. This is actually pretty good because you don't even have to put too much and it works wonders. Then I'm going to grab the same brush that I was blending, and I'm going to blend it, the harsh line with the glitter. Do the same on this side. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this light color and I'm going to put it right here on my eyebrows. Alright guys, so I done my wing liner, false lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes are done. Now we're going to finish the rest of our eyes. We're going to do the bottom, and then we're going to finish a little bit of our face, and then we're done. On the bottom eyelid, these two browns. This lighter shade, and put it in my inner corner. I'm going to use my NYX, and this is in Milk. It's like a white color, and I'm going to put it right here. We're going to put a little bit of blush and contour and put a little bit of highlighter, and then we are done. I know, but I'm going to use this brown one from MAC, and we're going to contour. I'm being a little more dramatic this time around on my face because this is supposed to be a glam look. Why not face and contour your face? I'm going to use Rosa and the Glow on these two. We're going to mix it up together, and then we're going to put it on the apples of your cheeks. Just like so. And now we're going to highlight my favorite part of my face. I like there too, you know. I want to be glowy. Now on for the lip. This is like a orangey brownish color lipstick, lip stain. I actually got a pack of this on Amazon. Let's see how this looks. Now I think this looks nice, super glam. Make it dewy from Milani, my setting spray, and just spray that all over my face. Feel fresh. I can do this every day. I love that spray. All right guys, so this is the final look. Super glam, but I feel like I can go out to a nice restaurant and just eat. I'm loving this eye look, and I'm loving the glitter. I just wanted to feel glam today. If you guys love this look, please comment, like, and subscribe for more makeup tutorial. But if you guys want something more specific in my channel, just let me know. Have a good day. Until next time, bye bye.